Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Galaxy is unlocked, charged at least 20%, and any critical Wi-Fi passwords are backed up. Once done, open Settings and tap General Management. This gets you directly to the system controls that affect networks. You're beginning the reset process now, not later, so pause other apps. Make sure to note any VPN or custom APN settings, because those will be erased during the reset and must be reconfigured afterward. Now perform the actual reset. In General Management, choose Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. You'll see a summary that Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings will be cleared. Read it so you understand what's removed. Tap Reset Settings, then enter your device PIN, pattern, or password to confirm. Once you submit, the phone applies default network configurations and restarts network modules. This fixes corrupted configs or stuck radios. Make sure you remain patient while connections reinitialize. After the reset, rejoin Wi-Fi networks and re-enter passwords you backed up earlier. You'll also need to repair Bluetooth devices and reconfigure any VPN or APN settings. If mobile data doesn't come back right away, toggle airplane mode off then on, or power cycle the phone. Make sure the SIM card is seated correctly. Removing and reinserting can restore registration. If problems persist, contact your carrier to verify provisioning, or try a full reboot. That usually resolves lingering connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.